Yes. So today we are going to create event on Facebook by which you can alert your fan base if you are having fan base on Facebook about your event, either it's physical one or the virtual one. Either way, you can invite your fan base, and if you haven't had fan base, you can just create an event on Facebook and can boost it as well to the relevant audience so they can participate in your event. So there will be need some details to create an event. So let's start for it. First, we just need to simply go on Facebook, and then we have to click on events, which will be on left sidebar. Okay, so here you can see there are multiple events that are ongoing near my location, and same goes for your event as well. It will be appear to audience. So let's start. Create new event, and first we need to select event name. It's testing one, so I'm setting a testing name for it. Okay, so the next option is putting an event banner. It could be any. If you have created or designed any kind of event banner, you can upload it here. It could have information either way, like the location and the timing, etc. Okay, I'm uploading a random picture here. Okay, so the next option will be choosing a date. Okay, so next option will be choosing a date. I'm putting 16 Feb for it. Oh, actually 19 Feb for it. Okay, this is the start time, and this will be the time zone on which the event will be started. Uh, so the next option will be you can choose the end time as well. If it goes on for 2 hours or 3 hours, you can put it as well. So I'm making it till 7 a.m. and it will be till 19 Feb. Okay, so here you can select either it's virtual one or the in person. In person mean it's a physical event, or the virtual one. So I'm choosing the virtual one just for in case. So these option will be appeared here. You can schedule Facebook live as well for this event, or you can put the external link like Zoom or etc, so people can join the event from your link. And if it's on for Facebook live, you can simply click on the Facebook live option. So I'm checking neither one, and I'm going to take in person one. So here you can see it's gave me the option where your event will be placed. So I'm picking up my location. Like. Oh, you can search your city as well. I'm putting a random city. So I just select Gujarat for it. So what's the detail? Hey, you can put like what will be the benefit of event, and what's the outcome will be from event, and it is the details that you have that you want public to see. So I'm putting just a random information here. Oh, sorry. Let's try with the marketing event. Just that. Okay, market your event. What will be the category of your event? Like it will be for discussing social issues, comedy, and etc. I'm putting dance for an option. So if you want to add your co-host as well, I'm an entrepreneur and I have invited another entrepreneur on the event and I want public to see both of us names. You can add the collaborator here. So it's test one, so I'm not adding anyone. Add tickets here as well. You can add the ticket option as well, by which people can visit the ticket page and can buy your tickets if it's paid event, or the people need to make entry, even it's for free. You can put the ticket URL here, and also you can choose the option if it's a reoccurring event, like you have series of event or you have a weekly monthly schedule for it. You can put it here. So I'm just leaving this option for now. Okay, the next option will be communication setting. So Facebook has just launched this feature, and you can see new option is available there. So we have updated the default setting to allow guests to post to the event. Show the guest list. Only host can post in the event. Post must be approved by host. So these are the options that if when once the event is published on Facebook, people can comment about it, people can post and get some information as well. So here you can control the setting of it. So I'm just leaving its option as it is. So like it's the basics one, like it's having on Zoom meeting as well, like show the guest list when people participate in your event. An event is ongoing, people can see who is joining in the event. You can hide it as well and you can show it as well depending on your event nature. And only hosts can post in the event. So while the event is ongoing, there might be some information that you are going to share while this, so you can choose the setting accordingly. And post from user must be approved or not option. Post and comment detected as potential a scam will be held for your review. So you can control this setting as well. I'm just leaving this option as it is and creating the event. It can take some loading. Okay, so my event is just created, and here you can see Facebook giving me an option how I can promote this event by inviting my fan base, by doing invite to my friends list, or events you have attended. You can promote it as well, and event you host it, you can promote it there as well, and your groups as well. So if you are having fan base between these categories, you can send 500 invites, and invites will be sent directly sent to the audience. So okay. And also, if you want to boost the event, there is simple way. Hey, you can boost the event and reach it to the new audience if you are not having any fan base. And the procedure is simple as a normal ad. It will be like choosing the target audience and uh, selecting the demographics of ad spend, controlling the budget for it, and putting the duration for this campaign, the event promotion campaign. And also you can put some detail as well for engaging the uh, new customers for you or new leads for you. So hey, you can see the preview of it as well, so you can manage to promote it. I'm just leaving this option as it is for now. You can We can take it later in our next video, how we can boost an event on Facebook. So here it's listed and it's active currently, and you can manage it, you can take it off, you can delete it, whatever you want you can do it. Also you can invite it by user's email as well. You can also edit the event as well. So okay, so these are the options that you're gonna get, and you can cancel the event as well if something happen while resetting the dates of it. So I'm just canceling the event. So I have deleted the event. It means it will be disappeared from Facebook. And if I select the cancelled one, people will still see my event, but it will be shown cancelled. So that's all for an event, creating an event on Facebook. And in next video, we're gonna see how we can effectively boost an event uh, after creation. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in new videos as well. Have a good